What a beautiful area, full of lights, the water, the big Christmas trees, statue, lots of people, social distancing, I'm not sure. The Canary Wharf winter lights. These normally happen from December the 1st to the middle of January, but because of COVID, it's going to be extended. An artist called Medi Lights, he did the color cube, so this is called the color cube. Very beautiful. The shopping centre. It's really cold outside, so we're gonna come and get some food. The shopping centre and hotel is here as well. The hotel, bar and restaurant, very beautiful and posh. Lots of people, lights everywhere, as you can see. The Canary Wharf station, everything is very nice, very brightly lit. The bridge connects you to the other side. Very beautiful. The shops, and for Christmas they got the bar and restaurant ready, but because of lockdown tier 3 it's closed. Canary Wharf. Now we're going to see the lights. Social distancing still applies. Every year they have a display. The shopping centre and hotel is here as well.